seen one of these before?
Yeah.
Check it out. It's a Rubik's Cube. You can start mixing it. This is a regular Rubik's Cube. It's actually a regulation cube for speed cubing. My dad and I both started learning these. Well, I started learning it, and Dad and I like to pick up the same hobbies sometimes. So he bought some cubes, and we both kind of learned how to do it together, didn't we?
Yep.
So I'm going to try to do it a little bit differently than Dad has seen it before, than I have done it before. But what did you do? You mixed it? Wow! Give him a round of applause. He mixed it. Give it a few turns and then hand it to someone. When you get it, just keep mixing it around and keep sending it around. Just mix it for about 5 seconds, then give it to someone else and mix it till it's all mixed up, okay? So go ahead, hand it out to someone, because I'm going to have you help me up here. Like right now. Just pick someone and hand it out. Okay, not getting paid by the hour. Okay. Now I've got a poke. You guys know what a poke is?
No.
They had these during the gold rush. They made of leather, and they used to keep, guess what in them? Gold. Guess why they call them pokes? Because you would poke your gold into it. But that's not what I have. I have a couple of coins. Now, I want you to check the coins out. In a moment, they're going to go right in my eyes. So I can't see anything.
Can we go
Check
back
them
to the
out.
gold?
Make sure there's no holes, there's no trap doors, nothing like that.
Door.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. It's a little hot. Let's try it.
Is it good?
Are you guys mixing? Good.
Yeah.
Keep mixing. Keep mixing. You're good?
Mm-hmm.
You can hold them up. Could you see through them or anything?
No?
Okay, so this is how this is going to work. I'm going to have you help me loosen the coins. The coin is going to go on the duct tape. Oh, before I do this, let me get my hair out of the way. Glad I remembered, because I did this without doing this before.
I can give you a dad cut.
It's not. He's been trying to get me to cut my hair since I got here, but it's not going to happen. Because I live.
Hair envy.
And all my promotional photos look like this. So, well, minus the hair tie. So this coin is going to go right in my eye.
Oh.
Oh my God.
See that's around there?
Looks pretty good, yeah.
Let's take this. I need another one. Here, you take this. I'm going to let this here because you're going to help me in a minute. This one is going to go right in. Guess where?
Other eye.
My other eye. Ah! Okay. Now I need 2 more pieces about say this long. Okay. It's over here somewhere.
Over here, over here.
Huh? Oh, thanks. So we'll go across. Another one. Oh, sorry.
You're folded. Here.
Another souvenir.
There? Okay. Oh, you thanks for the log piece. Okay. Would you mind? You can put the roll of tape down if you haven't already. I predict you put it down.
Correct.
I also heard the thud of it. Go ahead, grab the Rubik's Cube for me and bring it back up.
Oh, good catch.
There was a throw.
Nothing smashed.
Did I mention how expensive this regulation is? Here, let's see. Okay, you can go take a seat.
Okay.
Before you do, yeah, you can give a round of applause in a moment. I want you to, what color would you like me to go for first?
What side?
What color? Yeah.
Red.
Red? Okay, go take a seat.
Okay.
Let's see here. I'm going to attempt to do this.
All done.
Yeah, has anyone ever tried to solve one of these before? They're not easy.
Don't you dare make me stay up at night.
There's over 1 billion different ways you can actually scramble the thing. Is there anyone out there who actually has solved it before?
Yes.
Yes, this one.
Are you good at it?
No.
Could you do it right now?
No. I'm too drunk to do it now.
I could have you stand behind me and solve it, but let's see. Let's do this. I don't know here if I can. Let's go here. Let's see. There's maybe this. What? That's weird. I don't feel any more. Oh wait, there it is. Okay. This is hard.
I told you your mother was evil.
She's alive and well and living in Utah. Let's see. Okay, I get your point. Let's see. Okay, I think I got the second level. So you got to do this in levels. You see?
Yeah.
The second one?
You got
But then
it.
the top, I think, is still pretty messed up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Here, let's see if I can. Let's see. Here, I might need more tape.
Take some.
This is not like. Is it better? It's not really, is it?
Almost.
Oh,
Oh no.
but it's still not. Is it not quite right yet?
No.
No.
I don't feel like it's right. No. Am I close?
That's orange.
I'm getting there. I think.
That's orange.
Let's see.
They could do.
Corners.
Not quite yet. Oh, I've let's see.
The orange part and not all this.
Darn it, not quite, is it? What's going on? It's feels out of sorts. Am I close? I'm not. Really.
You're right back to the beginning.
Open the bag. I said open the bag. Don't open the bag.
Don't open the bag. No, not at this. I'm in my most
it.
vulnerable. The part that everyone loves.
Eyebrow wax.
Ow.
Oh. Gonna need that dad cut.